Enrique, have you found 4 days of level two? What sort of shift have
Uh,
you been through? How does it feel?
the first thing I can say is that the first 2 days it was very heavy. Like I was tired all the time, but in my mind it was like you are receiving something. That's why you are in a low frequency. But the last 2 days it was so energetic, and there were a lot of new feelings and sensations, uh, totally different from level one. Like for once, I was feeling something that was pouring me into me like a warm liquid. So it's a way new way to experience things. So I strongly recommend to go to Divine Healing too.
Okay, thank you. Renee, how were you before you came to level two divine healing?
Uh, well, this was such a big jump, I must say. I was really quite impressed, and I have been roaming the globe for different types of healing. So I've experienced many things, and it was really inside the program here. Most of what I had studied, it's already in there, and on top of that, they teach you how to clear it. So I was really impressed. That's I haven't met up with anything like this. Nothing this at this level.
Okay,
So
thank you.
pretty amazing.
Okay. Dan, how's it transformed you the past 4 days? What are you taking away?
This transformation has been enormous for me. With between the steps of level one and level two, um, level one, I was tapped into the energy and going through the steps and finding some resolution with some things. And level two basically just opened the top for me and just dumped in all the information and dumped in the guidance. So much so that now I'm being guided and directed on where to go with things, but also being patient with things as well, because I am getting advice and guidance from the healing team of like, hey, hold on a second. Let's let this percolate. Let's feel the emotions that's going on with our clients and with our team members, and just adapting the resources and the information that they're giving, and just being guided through the charts as well is really phenomenal. So I'd recommend it, highly recommend it to anyone. And thank you
Thank
for
you.
having me.
Thank you for contributing such an amazing way. Okay, Yolanda, how's it been? What are you taking away from divine healing too?
Wow, I feel like I've just been able to take in a new level of energy that's coming from source. I took level one, and it took me a couple of years to really, really understand the true power of divine healing. But walking away from level two this time, I really understand the toolbox that I have for myself and for my future clients. So I highly suggest level two. I'm really inspired to move on to other levels and continuing to add to my toolbox.
Okay, thank you. Abby, you've had quite a journey in the past 4 days.
Yeah, I
How's things
just trying
shifted?
to I'm just trying to think if I can still speak. Um, so yeah, first of all, to be so blessed, we were blessed to be in the group that we're in. And I feel that was very divinely orchestrated and just amazing mentorship and support from our lovely leaders and guides. So I'm really grateful for that. And I just feel personally, I came into this level. I've fully given myself to this system. That's what I feel like. I've invested a lot of blood, sweat, and tears, shall we say, this year. And and it's really just paying off in my life. And there is absolutely no doubt in my mind that I'm so glad I hadn't sort of really gone out in the world just after divine healing level one. I was not ready. That's a fact. And I only realized that by doing divine healing too. And so for somebody like me that perhaps does like to do things at quite a pace, it's been amazing to actually slow down and really understand just how important this stuff is to integrate at each stage. Do you know what I mean? And I feel really, I still feel totally confident that I'm in the right place at the right time, and I'm really excited to continue to do some like extra work with people that I've met here, and I'm really excited to be able to step out in the new year and really start living my mission. So yeah, it's been great. Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you for sharing, everybody.